One of the largest urban solar projects has been inaugurated in Mexico City, where the rooftops of capital's wholesale market are now generating power for the city. The solar system has been installed on Mexico City's central of wholesale market, covering 327 hectares. Here are some of the details of this and other stories making headlines across the globe.
Rooftops on wholesale market in Mexico City are now outfitted with thousands of solar panels, which are supplying more than a third of this market's total energy consumption and will do so all year round. Government officials say the mega project marked the start of a solar power revolution in the country. Market visitors were impressed with the green initiative to turn the market rooftops into one of the world's biggest urban solar farms. Officials say part of the government's plan behind this mega project is to convince the Mexican society of the benefits of solar power. Elsewhere, the average retail gasoline price in Japan has climbed to its highest level in 15 years, as the government subsidy to curb price hikes has been gradually scaling down. The average price of regular gasoline stood at 176.7 yen per litre as of Monday, advancing 1.9 yen from July 24th and hitting its highest level since August 2008. The price is expected to increase and affect households if the government holds this subsidy program designed to curb the impact of a surge in gasoline and other fuel prices at the end of September as planned. Gasoline prices are projected to continue rising. Finally, climate change and alarmingly frequent extreme weather events are posing threats to Italy's historic viticulture and winemaking industries. Last month, which was probably the hottest month on record according to the World Meteorological Organization, Italy experienced heat waves, wildfires, torrential rain, tornadoes and hail. The extreme weather has sparked concerns for local grape planting and wine-producing industry practitioners. Experts say that although grapes are resilient and able to adapt to various climatic conditions, they can still suffer from high temperature and lack of water. When temperatures exceed 35 degrees Celsius, the nutritional activity in the fruit is blocked, and in extreme cases, the plants may suffer permanent damage.